Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you about an app, Zillow Rentals, and how to use it. Let's get started. Zillow Rentals is an app designed to help people find rental homes, apartments and other types of rental properties. It's part of Zillow, a popular real estate platform that provides listings for buying, selling and renting properties. Now let's move to how to use it. So first, in order to do that, you need to open up the App Store, then search Zillow Rentals on a search bar. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that, and once you're in, tap on the install option right here. So tap on that and open up your app. So now you'll have to create an account. You can use Apple account, you can also continue with Facebook or Google account. Once you are logged in, you can enter your desired city, neighborhood or zip code and use the filter options of price range, number of bedrooms, pets allowed, etc. to narrow down your search. Then to view listings, browse to the listings option showing details like photos, rental price, square footage and other important information. Then tap on a listing for more details about the property. Now if you're interested in a property, use the contact feature to directly reach the landlord or property manager through email, phone or message. If you find a place you like, you can save the listing to your favorites to keep track of it and return to it later. Then you can turn on notifications to receive alerts when new rental listings match your criteria or when there is a change in the listings you've saved. Now if you're ready to apply for a rental, follow the instructions listed in the property description, which may direct you to submit an online application or contact the landlord directly. Zillow can show you the estimated rent for a particular area or property, helping you understand if it's priced fairly. Also, Zillow integrates with Google Maps to allow you to explore the area around the property, and then you can submit rental applications for multiple properties to increase your chances of securing a place. So that is all about Zillow Rentals. I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did, comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.